Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a boomerang for Snapchat like you make for Instagram. So you have to download boomerang to your mobile. Like I have boomerang now. Just make a video like you make for Instagram, and once you make your video you can see more option is there. Just tap on more and you can share it to Snapchat, and here you have to tap play once, or you can make it infinity loop. Once you are done with this selection, just click send and send to your story or to whomever you want to send. So this is one method guys. The another one, you can make it directly on Snapchat. Just record it 2-3 seconds video. Once you are done with the video, just tap on the loop button, loop once or loop infinity. So this loop infinity work like a boomerang. So once you select this, click send and share to your story or to whomever you want to share. So that's all guys. Likewise you can make a boomerang for Snapchat, either with boomerang app or directly in the Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.